Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the T Fal 5-quart cover jumbo cooker pan. And as you can see right in front of me, this is a very large pan, and it actually comes with a lid and the actual pan here. So in today's video I just want to tell you a little bit about this pan and why did I buy it, and why you should buy it as well. Now today I'm going to be cooking a German dish called Spatula, and in the past I used to use this bacon. We all know that bacon is very greasy, it's very fat, and when you fry it on your pan it tends to stick. So that's why we went ahead and bought a whole new pan set, and this we're going to be testing out the jumbo cooker today. Now what I love about the T Fal whole cookware set is that, first of all, this lid, it has a nice little air valve here, so if you're sauteing your food, you don't got to worry about tipping the lid to the sides or anything like that. The steam it's going to come right through this little air hole right here, and it's going to create a nice equal air circulation in your pan. Now it has a nice little handle here, and it just fits perfectly on top of this nice large 5-quart. Now when we go ahead and look at the pan itself, we can see that the pan has a very good ergonomic feel to it. If you just look at the handle right here, the handle is wonderful, a nice gripping to it. It also has a little hole in it for you can hang your pan up. So if you prefer to hang your pans on the wall, just like my grandma used to do, she used to hang all her pans on the wall, this is perfect. For me, we don't have anything to really hang it on, no space on the wall, but we also just store it like regularly in our shelves under the kitchen sink. And as you can see right here, nice other handle on this side right here, so you can have a nice grip on your jumbo cooker pan. And yeah, as you can see here, very nice, ergonomic, like I said. Now let's move on and talk about the actual jumbo pan itself. Now, first of all, it's made out of aluminum, so very good quality. And on this pan, we have this thing called a thermal spot indicator. So basically, this is going to tell you, and I'm going to show you later, this is going to tell you when your pan is preheated. Now, if you didn't know that, it's very good, it's recommended that you make sure that your pan is preheated, because that's where your food retains the best flavor when it's preheated properly. And then if you look in the back here, this is helps you with even base cooking, so you can be rest assured that all your food is going to be cooked evenly. You know, on some pans, one side of the pan get warm and the other side of the pan doesn't get warm. So you can see that on some of the food, let's say for example, you're cooking chicken and one side gets cooked and the other side is undone. But with this T Fal set and this T Fal 5 jumbo cooker, you don't have to worry about that. Everything is evenly cooked. Another great thing about this is a non-stick pan, so it makes it super easy for cleaning. And like I said in the review, I'm going to show you a little later on, super easy for cleaning. And yeah, so with that said right there, we're going to go ahead and test our we're going to go ahead and turn this on real quick, and we're just going to get right back to it. All right, as I mentioned earlier, this jumbo cooker pan has a thermal spot indicator. So basically, when it's ready for cooking, when it's preheated, it's properly ready, those spots are going to go ahead and turn to solid red. So right now I have in my hand, I have my olive oil here. As you can see, got some nice olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit in my pan. Then I'm gonna turn the my stove on. Put a little bit around, don't need so much because it's bacon in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it on just a little bit, put it on. I like to have mine on 7. So actually, while we're waiting for the pan to get preheated, I just want to let you know that, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a non-stick, and that's one of the reasons why we bought it. You can actually put this in your dishwasher, so the dishwasher is safe. And you can also put it in your oven up to 300, the pan up into the oven, or yeah, up into the oven, up into 350 Fahrenheit degree. So that is amazing. And one of the main benefits for me why I got this new set was that because it is free of PFOA, lead, and cadmium. So all that stuff that normally made in other cookware to keep the non-sticking element in there is normally not good for people, but this is free of all of that thing. So this is definitely something worth to invest your money into. All right, everyone. So it looks like our time for preheating is done. I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon on the oven, on this pan now. And let's go ahead and get right to it. Yes, so I'm going to just make sure we do it nice and steady. Oh, some came out. Okay. All right. So another thing I like to mention is that this jumbo pan, it has a very high scratch resistance. As you can see, the food easily glides on the surface of this pan. You don't see no stickiness. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this so you can see the end results and how amazing this product is. Like I said, it's non-stick and it's doing the job the right way. Just moving around, sliding on this surface easily. Okay, so as you can see here, this jumbo pan, it actually lives up to its name. This is something that I highly recommend. First of all, for people who are looking for a quality, healthy, non-stick pan that's durable, that has high resistance. This is everything that you need all in one. So thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next video.